10 Best Running Boards for Ram 1500 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ram 1500 Retractable Bed Step, 2019 to 2024. Effortlessly access your Ram 1500 bed with our retractable bed step, precisely engineered for 2019 to 2024 DT new body style models featuring dual exhaust. Say goodbye to straining and hello to unparalleled convenience. This isn't just a step, it's a seamlessly integrated solution. Its non-slip, texture design provides secure footing, while the quick retracting mechanism ensures it tucks away flush when not in use, preserving your truck's sleek profile. Crafted from high-strength, corrosion-resistant materials, it promises unwavering durability and reliability through countless uses, replacing OE part numbers like 82215-289AH. Experience the perfect blend of safety, convenience, and lasting quality. We're confident you'll love the upgrade, backed by our commitment to your satisfaction. Number 9. Ram 1500 Quad Cab 6-inch Running Boards, 2009 to 2024. Elevate your Ram 1500 Quad Cab experience with our precisely engineered 6-inch running boards. Tailored for 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500 and 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500 Classic Quad Cab models, you'll appreciate their seamless, factory-like fit. Engineered for brilliant performance, these boards feature a durable powder-coated finish and large, raised slip-resistant step pads for superior traction, securely supporting up to 450 pounds. Crafted from rust-resistant aluminum with heavy-duty ABS end caps, they promise exceptional longevity against any outdoor condition. Installation is a breeze, no drilling needed. They bolt directly to factory mounting points in under an hour, with all vehicle-specific brackets included. Enjoy effortless access and a robust upgrade that stands the test of time. Number 8. Ram Crew Cab Black Aluminum Running Boards. Tired of struggling to get into your Ram Crew Cab? Upgrade with our black aluminum running boards, meticulously engineered for seamless access and rugged style. Compatible across Ram 1500, 2009, 2023 Classic, Ram 2500, and 3500 models, these boards offer a perfect vehicle-specific fit. Step up with absolute confidence onto large, slip-resistant pads, built to support an impressive 450 pounds. Crafted from durable, rust-resistant aluminum with heavy-duty ABS end caps, they're designed to withstand the toughest outdoor conditions for years. Plus, installation is a breeze. No drilling required, bolting directly to factory mounting points in under an hour. Enhance your truck's functionality and look today. Number 7. Amazon's #1 overall pick. Elevate your truck style and functionality with Amazon's #1 overall pick in running boards. Designed for a perfect fit on your Ram 1500, 2500, or 3500, 2009 to 2024 Crew Cab models. These 6.75-inch wide steps offer unparalleled convenience. Crafted from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel with a brilliant chrome-polished finish and slip-resistant ABS pads, they support up to 450 pounds, ensuring solid footing in any weather. Installation is a breeze, no drilling needed, mounting directly to factory points in under an hour with included brackets. Get ready for an immediate upgrade in accessibility and appearance that's built tough for the long haul. Number 6. 2019 to 2022 Ram 1500 Driver Side Power Running Board Motor. Is your 2019 to 2022 Ram 1500's power running board motor giving you trouble? Restore that seamless functionality with our premium driver side replacement. Engineered as a direct fit, this isn't just a part. It's your solution to effortless entry and exit. We know your time is valuable, which is why this motor, reference hashtag 68461581AA, arrives pre-assembled and ready for installation. Say goodbye to frustrating modifications or complicated setups. This precision-engineered component ensures a perfect original equipment fit, saving you significant time and effort. Get back to enjoying the convenience and sophistication your Ram was built for, with an upgrade that's truly hassle-free. Number 5. Black 5-inch Ram 1500 running boards. Upgrade your Ram 1500 with our black 5-inch running boards, designed for both style and convenience. Engineered for perfection, these robust running boards provide a secure, effortless step for easy entry and exit while adding a sleek, aggressive look to your truck. They also offer essential side protection, enhancing your vehicle's durability. We believe in exceptional value, offering an unbeatable quality price, premium features without the premium cost. Benefit from our reliable delivery option, ensuring your running boards arrive quickly and efficiently. Plus, our seller dedicated to good customer service guarantees a seamless experience from purchase to installation. Upgrade your ride with confidence and transform your Ram 1500 today. Number 4, Ram 1500 2500 3500 running boards. Ready to elevate your Ram experience? Our custom-designed running boards offer the perfect blend of style and utility for your 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500, 2010 to 2023 Ram 2500/3500 Crew Cab, or 2019 to 2023 Ram 1500 Classic. Crafted from heavy-duty steel with anti-slip 7-inch wide plastic steps, you'll enjoy secure, confident entry and exit every time. Our patented drop-down design not only enhances your truck's appearance, but also maintains crucial ground clearance. Built with durable square connected tubes, these boards support up to 530 pounds per side, finished in a textured black powder coat for lasting resilience. Installation is a breeze, with no drilling required and all hardware included. Get ready for an easier, more stylish ride. Number 3, 2009 to 2023 Dodge Ram running boards. Elevate your Ram's style and accessibility with our premium running boards. Perfectly compatible with a wide range of Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 Crew Cab models from 2009 to 2023. More than just a step, these boards are an instant upgrade, replacing old units with a visually striking presence and incredible longevity. Crafted from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel with heavy-duty ABS end caps, they're built to endure. Installation is a breeze. A simple, no-drill process bolts right to your factory mounting points in under an hour. Choose your look: iconic American flag or bold bulldog flatboards in polished chrome or sleek black. With a robust 6.75-inch width and 350-pound capacity, these are the ultimate blend of form and function. Number 2, Ram Retractable Bumper Step. Tired of struggling to safely and easily access your Ram's truck bed? The Ram Retractable Bumper Step is your perfect solution. Specifically designed for Dodge Ram 1500, 2009, 2018, and 2500/3500, 2010 to 2018, excluding dual exhaust/eco diesel. It seamlessly replaces Part 75306-01A, ensuring a direct, OEM quality fit. Its innovative retractable design provides secure, sturdy, non-slip access when extended, then quickly tucks away flush for a sleek, clean look and maximum space-saving convenience. Crafted from high-strength, corrosion-resistant materials, this step withstands heavy loads and frequent use, promising years of reliable, weather-resistant service. Experience unmatched convenience, safety, and durability with truly effortless bed access. Plus, our dedicated customer service guarantees your complete satisfaction. Number 1, Ram 1500 Front Right Power Running Board Motor with Bracket 2019 to 2023. Is your Ram 1500's passenger side running board acting up? Get back to effortless entry with our direct replacement motor assembly. Designed specifically for 2019 to 2023 Ram 1500 models, this front right power running board motor with bracket, part hashtag 68461580AA, ensures a perfect, trouble-free fit. Whether you have the 3.0L diesel or the powerful 6.2L V8, this part covers a wide range of engine types. This assembly is precisely engineered for 4WD 8-speed automatic models with a 145-foot wheelbase, guaranteeing seamless integration and reliable performance. Restore that smooth, automatic step and enjoy getting in and out of your truck like new again. Don't compromise on convenience or safety. Choose the precise, expert design fit for your Ram. So, that sums up my 10 best running boards for RAM 1500. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,